Good evening to all of you. So this presentation I am going to again present you how our one standard deviation weekly trade forecast what we have done on the 15th December, and we have plugged in our website and also emailed it to all the registrants how it has performed for the second day. So first day how it has performed that I have already given in our website in a YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, once you are visiting our YouTube channel, you'll be getting the video how the first day these levels have worked in the first day that I have explained here. Yes, the reason of telling you this working procedure of this one standard deviation, since we claim that this particular level is working from the past 141 weeks, and this is the 159th week we have given. So certain places people want to know on daily basis how it has worked. So we have given a report, and at the end of week we are saying that yes, it has worked. But for many people to trust this, they need to know every day basis how it has performed. So how will know one calculation is correct to its maximum? So the calculation is done on 15th December, and today we are the 18th December, and this calculation is valid till 21st. So 17th I have demonstrated the high of the Nifty was just 1 point or 1.1 rupee 50 paisa below from this first target. Today I am going to demonstrate how far it has come to. So today if you see, the low of the Nifty is 10,835. High it has triggered 10,940, closed at 10,936, 35.90. So come back to my report. So this is what we have given, 835. So you have not gone to the stop loss zone at all. So, and closing is 10,936. So you are just 10 point above this first target, and day's high was till 940. So between this first and second target you have closed, and very close near to the second target also you have come in case of a Nifty. Now coming to the second one, the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if I just visit this Bank Nifty's price quote section from the NSE, so I am taking from a very authentic source. So here Bank Nifty gone 27,278.8, and it has closed at 27,265. So let us compare. So it has gone till 279, 27,279. So pretty above these points. So 10 to 15 points above this third target it has gone. Closed at 265, 265. So just 2 point above your third target. So the close proximity of the high, the close proximity of the recorded high on the day, the close proximity of the recorded high, recorded low, and recorded close. These three things are the greatest evidence that this particular method works wonderfully in the market. And this is a big reason to adopt the real-time volatility in your trend forecast. So the real-time volatility here, Pivonic ratio is known to everyone. One standard deviation formula also known to everyone. Here, the thing which is making a great difference in the calculation is the real-time volatility. And this real-time volatility was estimated 1 week before with some factor of error. So that's why you are getting a little bit of variance in that. However, in intraday basis, if you are using our software, then intraday basis, you can see that it takes the real-time volatility, it projects the levels, and it also works. And there is a evidence. Those who are the buyer of our product, those who are buying our Smart Finance one standard deviation software, so we put them into a group. in a WhatsApp group. They also communicate with us. So here too, today you will get couple of interactions from one buyer, Mr. Nines Mokwana, and he is also giving that this particular trigger weekly trend trigger bank nifty from directly from his live screen. He is giving that things to, you can contact him also. You can ask if you are still wants to know that how far this particular software is successful. You can very well talk to him with his permission to know the accuracy level of this particular software. So many buyers has interacted here, and they have also given their valuable suggestion that how far these particular levels are working. So here we not only sell you in software, we put you into a group, and there you interact with the user of the softwares to know how this particular software really perform in the market. Not only that, you will be getting many live market webinars, live market events to understand this software. The very reason of adopting this particular software is it takes the real-time volatility into the calculation process. So here is, this is how the software look like. It has a option scanner, it has a stock scanner, it gives a stock scanner, the stock scanner of the all future instruments, the stocks which has given uptrend breakout, gap up breakout, gap down breakout, and downtrend breakout. You just have to select and take the number of stocks available. You can view the targets here, but I will suggest that you just take the stock list here and you work on those stocks on this main calculator. It has an option scanner, which are the strike options you can trade for your benefit, because all strikes is not beneficial for intraday trade, for weekly trade. So here it scrutinizes the strikes, which is, you can say, if you just calls to buy in the uptrend, which is less than equal to the current price, less than equal to the current price, if you just hit here, so you will get all these strikes. So if you just go for the greater than equal to, you will get the strikes which is up now for the trading, or these are the strikes which is very much successful if you do in the calls to buy in the uptrend. And same way you can see all strikes, you have so many strikes. Now question is, which strike call option I should trade in the uptrend, which strike put option I should trade in the downtrend. You just select here, and if you are just not greater than less than, if you are not able to understand, just think here the between target, strikes between buy entry and targets. So you will get only two strikes. These two strikes are suitable for your intraday trade. Strike to sell between the sell entry and the targets. So you are getting two strikes to trade. So these two strikes call options are suitable for intraday trade. Same way weekly call option to trade and other things also you can find out. And we have conducted many live webinars, and once you are a buyer, you will be getting the opportunity to join many webinars. And this particular software doesn't cost you a huge money. It costs you only 5,900, and it costs with an Android edition also. This particular software comes with an Android edition, and you get the access to the WhatsApp group where we guide you, or many experienced traders interact with you. And I don't think that for one trader who puts a lot of money for his trade risk, it is a big investment for his or her. So here the basic procedure is very simple. Once you are going to trade, and this gives you the similar accuracy into the intraday trade. So here we have just given a weekly trend report, and the second day in a row I am just validating how far this calculations performed in the real market scenario. So here also I have given this report how to use these things with the simple hedging, and you can also download this particular report from the download link of our website from here. And if you think that yes, this is a true report and this is a true concept and need to be implemented in your decision process system and need to help you in your decision process analysis, then please adopt it for your trend analysis. This is the best judgment or best step you can take for your trading business. So we have also scheduled one webinar on 24th December to discuss various concepts of Elliott-Fibonacci GAN along with the daily volatility, and how to use the technical indicators as a dynamic parameter and other things. If you are interested, you can join in this particular program. Share this video with your friends if you think it is a good stuff to learn. And every week, Friday, post market hour, please visit this download link and take the report and watch it for a couple of weeks. Then you decide whether this software is worth for you or not. Thank you very much.